northeastern Alabama, southeastern Franklin County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Skyline, or 18 miles south of Winchester, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bass, Francisco, Princeton, Jericho, Long Island, Russell Cave National Monument. Section moved to an interior room on the lower